Welcome to the Roth Living Kitchen. We're the BariGirls. I'm Linda.
And I'm Kylie.
Today we're making it count with our festive, fresh cranberry salsa. This is an excellent recipe to take to your holiday parties that everyone is going to love.
Yes, Mom, and cranberries are such an awesome antioxidant powerhouse and offer immune support throughout the entire year, so enjoy.
Cranberries contain vitamin C and other immune boosting properties that help keep the body healthy and fight off infection.
Once again, all year round. Let's get this holiday treat started. Now we're going to place fresh cranberries into a food processor or blender and pulse until they're finely chopped. From there, we're going to transfer to a bowl, add in your sugar, your orange, liqueur, I love how that sounds, cucumber, celery, and jalapenos.
Now, we'll let those set at room temperature for about 15 minutes, and that allows all the flavors to blend together.
Yum.
And you can serve this with tortilla chips and even bean chips. Delicious, good for you, and tasty.
Oh, mercy. And don't forget to leave a like and follow us, the BariGirls, on YouTube for healthy, flavorful, festive, fun recipes.
And when you try these at home, please leave us a comment and let us know how you
Make it count. The BariGirls are brought to you by Hen House Markets and Roth Living.